In this tutorial we will do a bin picking simulation. Bin picking is a common industrial robotics task where robot automatically detects, grasps, and removes objects that are randomly piled inside a bin or container. In our case, the robot picks up a bolt and sets it into a groove of the red part. Bolt orientation is estimated using foundation pose. Then, using MoveIt, optimal trajectory is calculated. Now let's see how we do this. Let's begin from foundation pose. Foundation pose plays the key role in this tutorial. Given a CAD model or a small number of reference images, it can estimate and track position and orientation of novel objects in 3D space. It is revolutionary in that it works without any object-specific training. To bridge the gap between model-based and model-free cases, foundation pose builds an object-centric neural implicit representation of the object. When a CAD model is not available, it learns a neural field from a few reference images. This representation lets the system create novel views of the object efficiently. These synthesized views help the downstream pose predictor operate even with limited data. Foundation pose also incorporates new methods related to machine learning. Assets for training are generated with aid of large language model for diverse textures and scenes. By using LLM, it is possible to create a large amount of data with little human effort. A transformer-based architecture is used for pose reasoning. Transformer-based architecture has advantages over CNN regression or MLP reasoning in aspects such as global reasoning and iterative refinement. In addition to transformer-based architecture, a contrastive learning objective is used to improve feature robustness. Feature robustness is important because pose reasoning depends entirely on feature quality. So, features should be invariant to lighting, texture, background, partial occlusion and sensor noise. Contrastive learning shapes the feature space so that, among all pose hypotheses, those whose rendered features best match the real image features receive the highest similarity, making them easiest for the pose reasoning module, that is transformer, to select. Now, let's see the program flow. Here is a simple block diagram. The camera in Isaac Sim publishes images and camera information topics. Camera static transformation is also published. Using Yolo, we do semantic segmentation of an RGB image and extract bolt mask. Based on all this information, the pose of the bolt is calculated. But the calculated pose is in camera frame, so we convert it into panda frame. Also, we publish only the bolt's x, y, z coordinates in rotation angle around the z-axis. This is because bolts are lying on the xy plane and we just have to make the panda hand align with this angle. Based on this information, the path is calculated using MoveIt, and the joint states topic is published. Finally, in Isaac Sim, we subscribe to this topic and the panda arm moves. The arm moves along a predefined sequence. Here it is. Firstly, we publish a trigger to reset foundation pose. We do this to make foundation pose infer the new bolt position. Otherwise, it will try to track position of the bolt that we already moved. After this, our movement is straightforward. We move the arm above the bolt. Open the gripper and move it down. Hold the bolt and move the arm up. Then, the arm places the bolt onto the specified groove and moves to the initial position. Now, let's see the program. Please download the Isaac bin picking zip file and extract it to your home directory. Here we have 4 directories. In the Isaac Assets directory, we have models of bolt, bolt stand and dish. Original shapes were created using 3D CAD. Then we convert it to an STL file. After converting to STL, texture was added using Blender. This process is described in this tutorial, so please see it for more detailed information. Note that we also have STL files of the bolt stand and dish in the meshes directory of the bin picking manipulation package. It is used for collision detection while planning. In the Yolo directory, we have one script for training and another for test. Both of these scripts are not used during the bin picking simulation. To detect a bolt, we need data. In this tutorial I used 25 images of bolts. There are both real bolt images and images taken from Isaac Sim. Annotation is done using the Label Me tool. To create the training data set that is required by Yolo, use the Label Me to Yolo tool. The exact command is written in this file. For a more detailed explanation, please see these tutorials. Now let's see the MoveIt code. Open the bin picking CPP file. In the Control Robot class, we define places to place the bolts. So, if you change position of the bolt stand, you should change these values as well. We also define planning scene publisher. And we publish shapes of the dish and the bolt stand to let MoveIt know that we have collision objects in the scene. If objects are static, it is enough to publish this message only once. So, we cancel the timer after publishing this topic once. We can see that these objects appear in our viz after the topic is published. As a result, the planner generates a trajectory that avoids these objects. Here is a sequence of arm movement. Basically, it follows the sequence I explained previously. This sequence will be repeated for this array size times. In the foundation pose related directory we have files that we will use to run foundation pose with ROS. So, firstly, go to this page and clone the repository. Please follow the procedures written in this page. There are multiple ways to set up environment to run foundation pose. Please choose the most suitable for you. In my case, I created a virtual environment. I described it in this file, so please use it as reference if required. Now, move this file to the foundation pose folder and this folder to the demo data directory. Open the Run ROS Python script. In this script we subscribe to RGB image, depth image and trigger topic. When the foundation pose inference is enabled, camera transformation is obtained and homogeneous matrix is built. Then, if it is the first step, a mask of the bolt is created. After that, using the pose outputted by foundation pose and homogeneous matrix, bolt position and orientation in the panda frame is calculated. Finally, we calculate bolt rotation angle around the z-axis. To execute this simulation, first, launch Isaac Sim and open the bin picking sim.usd file. Second, launch the demo launch Python script. In the third terminal window, run your virtual environment and execute the run ROS Python script. In the fourth terminal window, run the move arm launch Python script. The simulation will start.